During my time working as a project manager, I came across a program called MPMCX, a healthcare management program exclusively for MBBS doctors and above. MPMCX truly inspired me to pursue an MBA as my master's degree. And where best to do it than the #1 B school, ISB. Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Shrishti Goel. I'm from Bangalore and I finished my MBBS in 2019 from Ramya Medical College. And now here I am as a student at the postgraduate program in management at ISB cohort 2025. So back during my MBBS days, I realized that medicine is a wide space encompassing many different dimensions, not just clinical medicine, but business administration, operations, education, research, finance, and so many more different varied fields. As we have seen during the COVID-19 pandemic, affordable and accessible healthcare is the ultimate goal. During my time in 2020, I worked as a medical editor for research papers from all around the world, all about the newest experiments and the newest discoveries about COVID itself. And that piqued my interest in medical content development, and that is how I found my way to Daily Rounds Marrow, a company in the space of medical education, helping many other medical students like me to prepare their best for competitive exams and secure their specializations of interest. So I initially started off working as an individual contributor at Daily Rounds Marrow before moving on to becoming a project manager in the content development department. As a project manager, I was able to work with varied teams, both medical and non-medical, on various different projects and various different timelines. During my time working as a project manager, I came across a program called MPMCX, a healthcare management program exclusively for MBBS doctors and above. A couple of my colleagues had done the program as part of the first batch, and I was deeply intrigued by the deep insights that they were able to gain into the business world. So I took a shot and applied for the second batch, and I was very happy to get the opportunity to do it this time around. Through this program, I was able to meet several different people from different walks of life and very diverse and varied experiences. There were people who were still doing their internship, people who were in clinical practice, looking to set up their establishments, people in clinical practice looking to develop their establishments further, and even many people like me who were looking for a career change. We were able to develop deep insights into multiple domains of the business world, including strategy, operations, finance, marketing, communications, and so much more together as a cohort. We had people from various different age groups as well. Using this experience, I was able to transition into a category manager role at Daily Rounds Marrow, which provided me with a bird's eye view and a hands-on experience into the many different verticals of business development at Daily Rounds. As soon as the MPMCX program was finished, I cracked down to the challenge, and within a year, I was able to secure a seat in the flagship postgraduate program in management at ISB as part of cohort 2025. Even now, before we begin a new core subject in a new term, I find myself referring back to the old notes I had back in the MPMCX days. Turns out, no decision is ever a random one. They're all stepping stones towards a common goal. And MPMCX was a significant milestone to bring me to this very special moment.